Hi everyone, this is Andigo TV. There's a video I would like you to watch. Just share this video after watching it. Very amazing video. The waiting with me for this video. How the army man they collect the rifle from the EFCC man. Now, if you watch this video, if you no laugh, no say you get problem. Watch this video now. Just the watch.
Is that EFCC? I don't see how the EFCC will go and arrest and come through the rooftop. And they were going down with guns.
Keep on watching now. Remember to share. Just the watch. Keep on watching. Soldier na soldier.
What is going on here? What is going on? I don't understand.
Are you a Yahoo boy?
I'm not. Are you a Yahoo boy? Yes, no. I'm not.
What are you doing with these two
I
laptops?
don't understand. So it's not a crime to. Are you going down? It's not a crime to one two laptop. Why you break my laptop now?
Jesus!
What is not this now?
No, it's okay. Listen. I don't want to hear your person. If you make any noise here, I will here and I'll do nothing will happen. I'm talking to you.
Please, I don't understand. Listen, excuse me. Let me ask you a question. Please, let me ask you a question.
I don't want to hear this again.
What is going on?
What is wrong with you? How much do you have there?
I have 2.3 million.
2.3 million naira. Why are you working? Transfer 1 million. Why are you working to have that kind of money?
Sir, how will you ask me to just transfer money to you now? I don't understand.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a student.
You're a student?
Yes.
You're a student?
I'm a student.
Stand up. Open your app.
Negotiate with them.
Open your app.
My app is open.
Wait, let me put my account number. Zenith Bank. Transfer 1 million naira.
I've done it.
Let's go.
What's happening here? What did happen for this?
This nonsense. So see me. I just dey for house.
What happened to your laptop?
Inside house. I don't understand how they play game with my babe. I just noticed the gen off. But I come here now only for me to come and see them inside the compound. They came to harass me and they were telling me that I should do transfer to them that I'm a Yahoo boy. I don't understand. So now being a Nigerian is a crime.
Officer,
Wait, who break this laptop?
Why you touch him?
Who break this laptop?
Calm down.
Do you know that he's a Yahoo boy?
What do you mean by that? He's a Yahoo boy. What do you mean by that?
Immediately you saw us, he broke this laptop. Immediately you saw us, he broke.
So I'm the one that broke the laptop. I will break my own laptop. I will break my own laptop. I'm not stupid to even break my own laptop. I said I didn't break anything. You almost scatter it. Because you want to frame me.
Officer, I have evidence. There is evidence in this law, videoing everything. Evidence there. Calm down. Calm down.
Come down from there. Officer, listen to me.
I have evidence. Let me show you. See.
I mean, these guys came in. They did not even knock this gate. I'm not sure if we'll knock this gate. Come, where are you going to? I don't understand. So, come, I beg. Okay. You are not going anywhere. You are going to end where you started. Your man, relax. The money your man, relax. Wait.
Seems like there is no need for all this violence.
See, you started the violence. You are the one that started it. You came to my house unannounced. You came to my house without any warrant. You are telling me that I'm a fraudster. What evidence do you have that I'm a fraudster?
Sorry, I
don't see you. Oh, you are my friend and you came here with them to come and harass me. So you were here for them to...
You don't have to explain again. Relax.
Like that. Leave that, what's wrong with you?
You want to shoot?
I want to shoot.
What is the meaning? What is the meaning of that? Come on, harass me. What is the meaning of all this nonsense?